And then they'll catch.
All right, let's see what we got here. Do it, brother. Hey, turn on your light bar. That'll help get you through.
There you go.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Step one.
Perfect.
Nice.
Yep. Yep. That's different. That's different from whatever else.
He's got that stubby little bumper though, so.
Yeah, dude, that bumper's gonna help.
Yeah. What's that?
Yeah,
Right, yeah, there's no perches or anything, yeah. Oh, no way!
Just a tiny bit. Straighten up, back up, and then try it again. Do Scotch move.
The 96-point turn.
We call that the Jimmy leg.
Yep, just lock it like that. Let it go back. Nope. Alright, let's try that. See if we can get you through on this. Man, so close. Yeah. You might be able to drive through it, Adam. Unless you want to try it one more time. Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, that's work. There you go.
Straight and then passenger.
Yeah, buddy, bring it. Right that. Come on.
Hey, you can go straight a little, Adam. You want to just, any way that can get you up it, just kind of wiggle it. Yep, yep.
Hard passenger, hard passenger.
I know. Just do the Scott move. Let it roll backwards. There you go. Straighten up. No, don't bump it. Straighten up. No. You're hard on the rock. It just pulled your ass end over. Turn hard, driver, and go back about 1 foot. That side's gonna climb, which we wanted to do. Your passenger will climb. All right, right now, as you're going back, start turning passenger. There you go. Now, go forward. Damn. What the hell's he hung up on? His back end fell back down. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Perfect.
it. Come on.
Line this. Yep.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
You're underfoot on your back.
Woohoo! You're fine. Keep coming. You're good. Just coming up a little bit.
Where you put the show on.
That's it. You're good. You're done.
Yeah.
Nice job, buddy. Very nice.